How to enable auto translation on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can turn on auto translation on TikTok. Now let's get started. First things first, open up your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, go to your profile section on the bottom right. Now after you're here, go to the three lines on the top right. Now after you're there, go to settings and privacy. Now under content and display, you will see a language option. Tap on it. Now right there under translations, you will be able to just toggle on this always translate post button. After you do that, your posts will auto translate on your TikTok. Now here you can change the language of your translations too. Just select the suitable language, and yeah, that is basically it. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.